Today, we're going to make a warm and zesty twist to the classic, Lemon Ginger Rasam. This is a quick, comforting recipe that you can whip up in just minutes. Let's begin. Start by boiling a quarter cup of Toor dal until soft and keep it aside. Whether you're feeling tired, full, or just craving something light, this humble dish always brings warmth and balance. Now, heat a saucepan and pour in a tablespoon of groundnut oil. Once it's hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, 2 slit green chillies, and about 2 inches of freshly grated ginger. Add 2 chopped tomatoes and a cup of water. Let this simmer on low flame for 3 to 5 minutes until the tomatoes turn soft and mushy. Now, add the mashed Toor dal, a pinch of turmeric, and salt as needed. Give it a good stir and allow it to boil gently for a minute or 2. At this stage, add a little more freshly grated ginger because we really want that ginger flavor to shine through in this rasam. Switch off the flame and squeeze in half a lemon. Give it a gentle stir to bring out that tangy, refreshing note. That's the secret to the rasam's amazing flavor. Next, pour this sizzling tempering over the rasam. It should instantly fill your kitchen with a divine aroma. Serve this lemon ginger rasam hot with steamed rice and pair it with a crisp potato, yam, or brinjal fry. Like and subscribe to Spice Pot Club for more authentic recipes. Happy cooking!